Hello everyone. So in this video today, I will be teaching guys watching how to make a Facebook account private. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. And first of all, open your Facebook account and then simply go to the menu option. And from there, go or scroll down till you see the option of help and support. And then from here, scroll further down till you see the option of what you want to say, privacy center. Then from here, sorry, you can either simply what you want to say, select privacy center, go to settings, then after doing that scroll down till you see the option of audience invisibility, and from here click on profile locking. And then after you have locked your profile, uh, it is basically another word for making your profile private. So locking your profile means to basically make your profile private and monitor whoever can send you friend requests and exception of those friend requests, etc, etc. The process is same on Instagram when you have a private account on there. So yeah, if you want to make a private account on Facebook, simply click on your profile and your account will be made as a private automatically in a matter of seconds. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this till the end. Bye bye.